All right, so let's look at writing sentences and we'll go over the first 5 words from our sentence list from last week, which these are the correct words to be using. I put it on the class dojo. Sorry for the mess up for the last list of words. I think I looked at the wrong list from, I believe, probably 2 weeks ago. So moving on. Number 1 is say, number 2, may, number 3, play, 4, happier, 5, happiest. So the rules to writing a sentence or rules to write a sentence. First, you want to start with an uppercase letter. Make sure that when you first start your sentences, you are starting with an uppercase letter or a capital letter. You want to make sure you are including punctuation. Punctuation can be your period, it can be an exclamation point, and it could be a question mark. And sometimes punctuation can also be commas. These are commas down here. And then make sure you are using correct spelling. When you write your sentences, make sure you are using correct spelling. So you should have your word bank with your words at the top, and those should be spelled correctly. So let's do an example for number 1. I'm going to look at my word say, and I will use it to write a sentence. So I will put say. Let's say yes to making a cake. Perfect. So now that I look at it, I do have my capital. I did use my punctuation at the end. And this is my word from my word bank. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to underline the word so I know that I used it. Let me do an example for number 2. Number 2 is may. Now this may is the word may as in, may I ask you a question? May. Underline your word and then make sure you have everything correct. So your capital, your uppercase, and then your punctuation at the end. And just reread your sentence to make sure you spelled everything correctly. You have correct spelling. Your vocabulary word, or sorry, your spelling word should be spelled the same way you have it on your list. And you guys can go ahead and work on numbers 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. When you are done, make sure you take a picture of your journal and you post it onto the portfolio. Thanks for watching. And again, sorry for the wrong list of words for the last video.